If you're wondering how to ensure tax compliance for remote employees, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to walk through how Oyster, a powerful remote work platform, can help you stay on top of tax compliance for your global workforce without the headache. Whether you're a startup, an established business, or managing remote teams across multiple countries, this tool is exactly what you need to simplify and automate tax compliance for remote employees. Oyster takes the complexity out of managing remote workers and ensures you comply with tax regulations wherever they're based. It's a game changer for businesses hiring remotely, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make the most of it. Stick around because I'm also going to share an exclusive bonus that gives you free access to Oyster services. Let's dive in. One of the main challenges when hiring remote employees is understanding the local tax regulations in each country. Oyster takes care of this by providing tax compliance for remote employees in over 180 countries. It automatically handles the legal and financial complexities related to employment law, including tax calculations, withholding, and ensuring compliance with local laws. You don't need to worry about hiring local legal experts for every new location. You're covered globally. When setting up a new remote employee in Oyster, the software does all the heavy lifting. It calculates the correct tax rates based on the employee's location, ensuring everything from payroll to taxes is done correctly. If you're hiring globally, this software eliminates the risk of misclassification and ensures that tax reporting is done in accordance with local regulations. No more guessing whether you're complying with different tax systems. Oyster's platform has you covered with automated updates to keep up with changes in tax laws and employment regulations. Another benefit is the flexibility Oyster offers. You can manage multiple employees across various countries with ease, all within one platform. Oyster not only takes care of the payroll side of things, but also ensures compliance with worker classification rules, such as independent contractor versus employee status. It helps you avoid costly fines and penalties that could come from mishandling tax reporting, making it ideal for businesses looking to stay on the right side of the law. Now, how does this help your business in practical terms? Well, if you're already dealing with the complexities of managing remote workers, you'll know that understanding the tax implications in different regions can be exhausting and time-consuming. Oyster makes this seamless. For example, when onboarding an employee in a new country, it'll automatically populate the necessary tax forms. You don't have to manually research or create forms. The system does it all, ensuring that your remote employees are paid correctly and that you're compliant in terms of local tax filings. And here's the best part. You can start using Oyster for free right now. All you have to do is click the link below to sign up, and we've got some exclusive bonuses to help you get started with the software. It's an easy way to get ahead of tax compliance for remote employees without the usual hassle. So let's recap. Whether you have one remote employee or a global team, Oyster makes managing tax compliance incredibly easy. It automates payroll, tax calculations, and ensures that all your remote employees are compliant with the regulations in their respective countries. If you want to ensure tax compliance for remote employees and avoid the headaches of managing different tax jurisdictions, Oyster is the way to go. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to try Oyster for free, with our extended trial available through the link below. It's a must-have tool for any business with remote employees, big or small. So if you've been struggling with tax compliance for your global team, this is the solution you've been waiting for. Make sure to take advantage of that free trial offer through the link below and get started with Oyster today. Stay compliant, stay efficient, and focus on growing your business.